Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. Today I will be preparing for dinner some nice brown stew pork with some boiled food like yam, banana, pumpkin, and of course some Jamaican boiled dumpling. Let's get started. So this piece of pork is shoulder round, but I won't be cooking all of this. I will just use half of it for now. So now I am gonna make it in small bites and season my meat with my ground parmesan. So I'll try and take a portion. Okay, that is as much. Now you always try to cut your meat against the grain. So cut it this way first. Now I'm gonna wash the pork, but I will be using lime just to cut away some of the rawness. These lime here in Canada, you pay $1 for each lime. So this is $1 and I barely can get juice from it. I have to be fighting so hard. So now I will season my meat. So I'm using some Cool Runnings all-purpose. This one is a salted seasoning. Some pork chops seasoning. Ginger powder. And mash some garlic. And I'll just leave that there to marinate a little bit while the pot's getting hot. So the oil is now hot, so I'll put the pork in the pot. So now the water is boiling for the food. I will start peeling the food to put it in. I'm going to give the pork a turn. Now I'm going to peel my banana to add to the pot. Taking the skin off is an option. You don't have to. You can cook it in the skin as well. Whenever I'm cooking banana with other food in the same pot, I try to use a little vinegar. This way the dumpling and the yam won't get black from the banana. Because you know when you boil banana, it's gonna get black. So I tip a little vinegar in the water so it won't get, that won't happen. Not much, just a little bit, won't taste. Now I'm gonna cook my dumpling. So I'll get the flour, just a little bit of salt, so guys, I forget was to add, I want to put some semola in it. So this is semola wheat. So I'll add the semola. It's not too late, kind of too late, but not too late. Still will work. So now I'll make them and add them to the pot. I'll add them as I go. Whether you're Jamaican or not, this is the kneading part of the flour. So this is how we knead the dumpling. And then we make them, everybody make them in their own style. I just do it like this. So I make it basically in a little ball. And then we do like this, and this is one dumpling. So guys, this one is perfect for all those ladies when we all just get married. We make the dumplings so round and so perfect. Then I will cut the pumpkin last because the pumpkin easy to mash, so I will add the pumpkin last to the pot. I'm going to pour some more water just to kind of cover them. So now I'll just turn the pork. It's coming along nicely. So the color is coming along nicely, guys. There we go. So guys, I'm gonna make some steamed vegetable. So first I will shred my cabbage. Now I'll add all of these ground provision to the pot, which is onion, scallion, ginger, the garlic is already in. I will let this saute a little bit and then I'll add some boiling water. See, the color is so nice. Love it. So now I will start making the steamed vegetable. So I'll first get some scallions in. Some black pepper. I'm gonna put just a small amount of all-purpose. No salt. So now I'll check in on my meat and I will give it a stir. So this is the result when you brown your meat naturally like that. You don't have to use browning. So this sauce that I'm gonna use, it's a apple barbecue sauce. And this is, I can say, homemade because it's made right here in Barry. It's from Barry Hill Farm and it's a apple based barbecue sauce. I'm gonna try this one on the pork. I've tried it before on chicken and it's very good. It was very good on the chicken, so now I will try it on the pork. And pork cannot be complete without our Scotch bonnet pepper. So now I'll add the Scotch bonnet. Okay guys, the food is already cooked, the veg is all steamed, and the pork is all done. So time for me to do my plating and eating. There you have it guys, nice lovely stew pork, very juicy, along with some steamed veg and ground provision, yam, banana, pumpkin and some Jamaican dumpling. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.